If you are following our readings, most especially our gospel, yesterday, Jesus was cornered by the groups of the Sadducees, by the Herodians, and today we heard him around the group of the Sadducees, ang mga Saduceo. And most biblical scholars would describe this group as people at least with a very notable intellectual ability. Mga matatalinong tao. At ang mga pinag-aralan nila would at least bring them to a life of being called as elitist. But what seems to be notable today were the words of Jesus to this group. Hindi sa pinuri sila ni Jesus, kundi tinanong pa nga sila, "Are you not misled because you do not know the scriptures and or the power of God?" And maybe you will be asking also, why those words from Jesus, even if these men were intellectually gifted and all? And this is something, my dear brothers and sisters, we need to remind ourselves and even to open our eyes with. We all know that human intelligence develops. Natuturuan, nagagabayan, tumatalino o gumagaling ang tao sa buhay sa iba't ibang klase ng pag-aaral, ng mga talento, ng mga kakayahan po natin. We face the advancement of technology, of science, multimedia, philosophies. Say it, madami pong mga lumalaki at lumalagong kaalaman sa buhay po natin. At muli, ang mga ito ginagawa tayong matalino, ginagawa tayong may alam. But sometimes, let us also care as well when human intelligence fails to grasp even the basic of human experience. Let us also be mindful how some, shall we say, growing ideals may eat up and even disregard the basics even of faith. May mga pamamaraan para maging maalam tayo ang tao, pero minsan inilalayo lang tayo nito sa Diyos at sa tunay na buhay bilang kapwa-tao. And I think those were the reasons why Jesus told this man, "Are you not really misled? You don't know the scriptures or the power of God." Jesus faced the Sadducees not to condemn their intellect, but by saying that they missed something. They have missed the basics and the simplest in life. And this experience has a lot to teach us, as I've said. Let us be careful with how we take learnings and knowledge, because it might slowly drag us away from the basics of life. Name it all: relationships, faith, needs, ang pagiging kapwa-tao at marami pang iba. Huwag naman sana dumating na sa dinami ng ating natutunan, kinalimutan naman natin ang pagiging kapwa, ang pagiging karamay at ang pagiging kapatid. At mas masahol, makalimutan ang pananalig at pananampalataya sa Diyos. While it is good that we learn and grow what we know, let us not forget faith and the basics of life. Mahirap na matalino lang at baka makalimot sa mga bagay na simple at payak sa buhay na ito. Matalino nga, pero ayaw naman magpaturo sa Diyos. Matalino nga, pero wala namang puso. While we all give thanks to God for our intelligence, for all our capacities, let us also ask God to bless us with healthy relationships, with warm spaces to accommodate people whom we love and care, and most of all, to ask the Lord for the gift of faith that is strong and fruitful.